Welcome to Mr. Eggy's channel. Today I'm going to be talking about these special shoes that I've been eyeing for so long. The shoes is sick. I really like these shoes, and I think the silhouette of the shoes is sick. It's just a simple shoes that you can never go wrong with. You can style it in the way you want to style these shoes. It's just nice, Yeah. So I've been eyeing these shoes for a while now, and finally have it in hand. These shoes is really nice. It's unique. It's different. It's well built, well put together. Yeah, shoes is simple and classy. It's well built. Like I said, I've seen a lot of unboxing and reviews. I said to myself, I want to be different. I want to stand out and be different. Dang, they're the shoes I've been waiting for. The shoes is sick. These very unique shoes, beautiful shoes. The whole build is just exquisite. I like the whole design of these shoes. It's very nice. Got me at the bottom, off the wall, the back. The back right here is all leather. The van sign right here is all leather. The stitch is just nice and beautiful and exquisite. And these shoes is just too nice, just too nice, too sick. The sole is nice and thick. It looks beautiful on feet. I'm not even sure how it looks on feet. Greasy shoes, all built shoes. The strap on is all stitched down, all suede. Feels buttery, is very nice. Feels very nice. And then this shoes, this fire. Yeah, so the sizing on these shoes, you have to go through to size. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe, drop a comment below. Thank you for watching. Later days.